So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect MySQL database on MySQL Shell. So first of all, let's start on switching to SQL by typing here SQL, switch to SQL mode, and then let's try to connect. So all you have to do is just click here, type connect, and then type root, and then add localhost, and then 2 points, and then the port that you have chosen. They will ask you to provide a password. Just write it down. I will say no, I don't want to save the password. And we entered successfully. Let's test it now. Let's show databases. And as you can see here, it showed our database successfully. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tutorials.